Hi there. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Shannon Leach. I am a Beachbody coach, and I have got a lot of questions about what a challenge group is, what comes in a challenge pack, and what the 21-day fix is. So I just want to do a real quick video. I want to invite you to join us in my next challenge group. It will start May 16th, and it's called Summer Strong. And so I'm just looking for anybody who wants to find a way to work out at home, just 30 minutes a day, and really get into the best shape you've ever been able to. So the 21-day fix is a home fitness program. With the challenge pack, you receive 8 different workouts. So they're varied each day. There's a different workout Monday through Sunday. And you'll work out 7 days a week. Some of these are Pilates, some are yoga, some are cardio video, upper body, lower body, and a total body workout. There's also a plyo video, which is a bonus gift for ordering through a coach. There's also a nutritional component. So you get a nutritional booklet that helps you with portion control, helps you with clean eating. And my job as a coach is to help you find family-friendly recipes, recipe ideas that suit your needs and what you like as you go through this. So it's just finding recipes you are already eating, foods you're already doing, but just making them healthier and clean. So it's a clean eating program. And I will teach you everything you need to know, and meal planning, which will be huge and just make life so much easier for you, and then portion control, which is huge. And I'll show you a little bit here how you get things in your packet that'll help you with that. The third piece is Shakeology, which is a complete nutrition shake, and a lot of people confuse this with a protein shake. They're very different. It provides you with over 70 vitamins and minerals and superfoods. It really has increased my energy, curbs cravings. Is it ensuring that you're getting all the nutrients and vitamins that you need daily to help you metabolize everything most efficiently. It actually replaces my prenatal vitamin, and so all I add in addition to my Shakeology every day is folic acid and fish oil. So that's a brief synopsis of the 21-day fix. I would love to share more information about you or with you. So please just privately message me or comment below. But I want to show you everything that comes in a 21-day fix challenge pack. So here is the DVDs. And if you open up, there's 2 discs. And on this, there's the 7 workouts. There's also a 10-minute ab workout. And then you get a plyo video also. You get portion containers. So this will help you with portion control. They're all color-coded and helps you figure out how much you get a day. And it's hard to show them all, but you get 6 in total. And again, I'll teach you, exactly how many you get a day. But the great thing is there's no calorie counting. You get to eat a certain amount of containers every day and fit things into it. You're not eliminating any food group. So you get carbs, you get fats, you can replace one of your carbs with wine. You can still have coffee. So it's a pretty liberal nutritional program, but it's just ensuring that you get all the essentials that your body actually needs. So our bodies do need fats. We do need carbs in order to fuel our bodies properly. So I'm excited to share this with you. You'll also get a nutrition plan, an eating guide that'll tell you exactly what you can and can't eat, what bracket you go into, and again, I'll be coaching you and guiding you through this. You'll also get a whole month supply of Shakeology. It comes in a bag, can come in packets if you want. There's 7 different flavors for you to try, and then you'll get a Shakeology tumbler so that you can take your Shakeology on the go. So that's what you get in a challenge pack when you sign up for my challenge group. But most of all, and most importantly, I think, is that you get plugged into the challenge group itself, which is a health and accountability group. You, along with whoever else has joined our group already, we have 30 for this month coming up. But I do one-on-one coaching with you. So I'm checking in with you daily to see how you're doing. Everybody else is going through the program at the same time. We all start on the same day, and we just really help motivate and inspire and support one another. And this is why people are successful, because in the past they haven't had everything they needed. Maybe they were exercising, but they weren't doing the nutrition piece. Maybe they're doing the nutrition piece, but they weren't exercising. Or maybe they were doing the nutrition and the exercise, but they didn't have any support or accountability, and so they fell off the wagon. And I can honestly say that these groups change people's lives. They're the game changer for people, to help them stay on track, and help them reach goals they haven't been able to. Everybody's, weight loss will be different. Some people have weight loss goals. Some people just want to strengthen. Some people want, to maintain their weight. And I help you do any and all of these things. But for those who do try to lose weight, I would say the average is anywhere from 5 to 15 pounds in the first 21 days. And of course, there's no guarantee for that, but that is pretty typical of my challengers. So I hope this video is really helpful for you guys. And again, I would love for you to join us. May 16th is when we're starting. It's a Monday, and I would love to help you get Summer Strong. So thank you so much, and have a great night.